Ang Doyal Deborma, IMPC Yakhaiba Indian Mongolian People's Confederation Tripura Hastini General Secretary. Thangnai March talni Chiba Salmari 2019 BCO National Secretary Mr. Bikram Hanse Tripura Hastini Ongoi Painai 2019 Lok Sabha Chongmarini East Eba Salka Tripura Asukthani Bagui Mr. Bijoy Deborma retired IAS officer Eba IMPC Hastini President no Bataina Bagui Mung Saklai Jakha Tini ang Belaino Tongthok Jak Tamuni Himalaya Painai Lok Sabha Chongmarini Bagui shortlist Khlaijak candidate rogni bisingo Mr. Sobit Deborma eba khaiba IMPC Khowai district ni president no West eba Salthang asuk thayo bataina bagui central committee bini mungno approve khlaikha ang IMPC party ni general secretary saklai na musungo tabo jung north East Thamsa Ongjak Tei Thamsa Khlai IMPC political party ni bisingtui democratic lamatui chini khlai thai rogno jung khlaina bagai o IMPC political party ma asaikha jung khakhayo tei puitu khayo jasa khai phano Baskangni Lok Sabha Chongmariwo Kaplai Ongnai Hni Kaisa Saklayo East eba Salka Tripura Asukthani Bagui Mr. Bijoy Deborma retired IAS officer Tai Salthang Tripurani Asukhayo Batainai Mr. Sobit Deborma Hambai. Ang Mr. Doyal Deborma IMPC Yakhaiba Indian Mongolian People Confederation Tripura State ni General Secretary. Painai Lok Sabha Chongmari 2019 Purbo Tripura Yakhaiba Salka Asukthani Asukhayo Mr. Bijoy Deborma IAS officer ni Batana Bagai Mung Saklakha Pochim Tripura Yakhaiba Salthang Tripura ni Batainai Mung Sobit Deborma Bini Mung Saklakha Angkha Khayo Tai Khao Putu Khayo Painai Chongmari wo sung kaplai ngan he khakau hambai